In today's video, we're going to have a good look at some cases and covers for the OnePlus 11R and review them, so that you know which one to buy or avoid. Regarding the tempered glass issue, we recommend you to get it installed since installing is quite a hassle because of the curved edges, and the liquid can even damage your device if it enters the ports. Also, the camera lens protector we have here didn't please us that much because of the not so clean finish. Okay, so first off, we have a soft, flexible, transparent case which is actually better than the provided free case inside the box. It also protects the camera unit with extra coverage compared to the default free one. The fit is perfect with great cutouts for the buttons and the popular alert slider. Definitely recommended for those choosing a transparent case to show off its unique design. The next one is supposed to be a hard plastic case which we have used in earlier devices, but this one isn't actually hard plastic. It's just a bit harder and thicker. The idea behind this design is excellent, but we can't recommend this particular unit because of the loose fit at the top edge, hence compromising the drop impact protection. The fit makes it the issue. The next case is one of our favorite designs because of its duality. The black borders all around with extra protection at the four edges and complete protection for the huge camera unit, but at the same time there is transparency at the back to show off the design. The camera cutout isn't perfect, but it gets the protection job done and won't be noticed on first look. The cutouts are perfect though. The golden sand cover with leather texture at $599 is another option to protect your OnePlus 11R flagship. No issues with the cutouts, and the Armor TPU should do a great job at drop protection due to it being shockproof. You can go for it if you want great protection with a unique non-slippery leather texture design. Doesn't feel too hefty, and this particular golden sand will give you a sense of protected security.